Welcome again. This is a graphic design class. My name is Kimswan Official. Let's go together to understand the graphic design. The introduction. Graphic design is a creative discipline that combines the art and technology to communicate ideas visually. It involves the use of the typography, imagery, color, and layout to create design for the various media, including printing, digital platform, and advertising. The element of graphic design. The element of design are the fundamental aspect of any visual design, which include shape, color, space, form, line, value, and texture. Graphic designers use the element of design to create an image that can convey a certain mood, draw the eye in a certain direction, or evoke a number of feelings. Elements of graphic design. Shape. As we discussed it before, shape defines the forms and the structure, helping to create a sense of organization and focus. Let's leave that and let's talk about the importance of the graphic design. Offers communication, convey the message clearly and effectively, brand identity, establish and reinforce brand recognition, engagement, attracts attention and encourage interaction, professionalism, reflects credibility and attention to detail, user experience, enhance usability and simplification in digital platform. Emotion impacts, it evokes emotion and resonates with the audience. Let's talk about where graphic design can be applicable. User interface or UI design, environmental design, illustration, infographic, advertising, branding, web design, packaging, and printing media. Those are all where we can use graphic design. Ladies and gentlemen, it was very awesome to have you. Let's stay tuned and remember to subscribe to our channel. Down.